Smart touchscreen control panel. Precise control of temperature and time. Schneider control system. Auto blanket alignment system. It can be corrected automatically and prevent the blanket movement from exceeding the printing result. Pneumatic pressure. It can accurately count how many meters has been sublimated. Explosion-proof system. High temperature valve can prevent from oil contacting air to have service time of oil. Manual separate device. Manual separate device in case of power cut. Increase security. It is a kind of emergency stop. If your hand contacts it, blanket will separate from drum. Entry pneumatic disc brakes can easily adjust tension of paper. Rack driver. Reduce the fume inside the chassis. Long service time. Smoke discharging system. Updated smoke discharging system performs small noise and perfectly exhausts smoke out. Fabric is taken up at the back side of machine. We can see result clearly. High quality torque tester for very big roll paper, and to make sure long service time. Operation demo. Load sublimation paper. Load fabric. Put sublimation paper. Put fabric. Load tissue paper. Get tissue paper into drum. Take up tissue paper. Feed fabrics and paper after temperature reaches. Take up waste sublimation paper. Take up system for sublimated fabric. Touch screen showing you how many meters of fabric has been sublimated. Sublimation result.